Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be doing a perfume haul. So I ordered 2 new perfumes and I wanted to do the first impression video. So I just got this perfume package today. The thing is, I traveled, I went to, but I just go to Lagos and they delivered it just in time. I cannot wait to smell them, but I didn't want to cheat on you guys. I wanted us to smell them together, if that makes any sense. So the perfumes we're going to be unboxing today are Khamra by Lattafa and Nebras by Lattafa. I do have Khamra. I have a bottle of Khamra that's almost running out of, but I didn't want to run out of it completely before buying another one. That was why I just ordered a new one. So yeah, so this is Khamra by Lattafa. This is the new bottle of the Khamra, and this is the old bottle that I have. So I'm not going to be opening this one right now because we have this. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like. And this, can you guys see? So this is what it looks like. I just really like this packaging. I like the bottle. It looks like whiskey, like you're drinking whiskey from a very solid glass. And guys, it smells amazing. It smells like a rich man. I think I've actually made a video. Have I made a video on this particular perfume? I doubt it, but this perfume has been getting a lot of attention on social media recently, and I feel like it's definitely worth the hype. If you're looking for a perfume that you can, an affordable perfume that you can use on special occasions, so maybe you're going for a party, you're going on dates, you're going for important meetings, I would recommend this fragrance. Everybody that smells this fragrance on me says that you smell amazing. I literally get compliments from this particular fragrance every single time. Like, you can tell that I like it so much. It's not up to 3 months that I got this fragrance. Like, this fragrance is not up to 3 months. I think I got it in March. Yeah, I got this fragrance in March, and we're in May. See, I don't, can you tell where it has gotten to? See, and trust me, I have other bottles of perfumes. I have plenty perfumes. I just really like this one that I use it almost every day. So this is the new one. A bottle of this goes for between 25k to 30k, depending on where you're buying it from, but it gets my very strong recommendation. If you have 25 to 30k that you want to use, that you want to spend on an Arabian perfume, I would strongly recommend this. It is also unisex, so if you're looking for something sweet to buy for your man, to buy for your boss, to just buy for a special man or woman in your life, this perfume gets my very strong recommendation. Guys, if you smell me outside, there are chances that if you see me 5 times, 2 times or 3 times, I'm wearing this perfume. Although I tend to layer it, but trust me, 10 over 10. So the second perfume I'm going to be unboxing is let's tear it open. This is Nebras. This is Nebras by Lattafa as well. Guys, House of Lattafa does amazing fragrances. Like, amazing fragrances. Like, Lattafa, what are you adding to your stew? What are you adding to your stew? Like, they're doing very amazing, and their packaging is so nice. So I've come to realize that there are a lot of fake Lattafa products out there. So if you buy Lattafa products, please pay attention to this emblem here. Make sure that every Lattafa product you get has this emblem. That's the emblem of originality. Can you see this here? And even the old bottle that I have, look at it. So almost all my bottles from Lattafa, the pali has this. So yeah, we opened this fragrance. I've never smelled Nebras before, but everybody has been talking about it. I have never smelled it before, so this is my first impression. So Nebras by Lattafa, it comes in this red box. I really like this box. It's very solid. I don't know, I feel like the quality is even better than that of Khamra. They're both leather, but I like this. It's very sturdy. Ooh, look at it. So it has this, and then there's this. So wow, Lattafa price. So it comes with this. I'm seeing this Is this manual? It can't be manual. Okay, so this is a pamphlet that contains all of Lattafa fragrances. And believe me, I know almost all the fragrances here. I know almost all the fragrances here. Maybe one day we'll sit down and talk about this pamphlet. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And then this thing sits very tightly inside the box. So you're not going to, it's not going to drop. It's not going to drop. Same as the, oh, just look at, very nice. So yeah, we have this beauty. I cannot wait to smell it. So it has this gold, okay, it has this gold cover that clips in very well, like you can literally hold it, it's not going to fall off, very sturdy. You can see the time of truth is here. So guys, so the first thing that hits you when you spray, the first thing that hits me right now is alcohol, right? And I read it online that, you know, the alcohol hits you and it dries out in 10 seconds. So oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Okay guys, this, allow me to enjoy, allow me to savor this fragrance. It smells very sweet. It smells like caramel, like vanilla. I can smell gourmand. I can smell sweet vanilla. I can smell caramel. It's creamy. It's creamy as well. And it's not overpowering. It's subtle. It smells like something I would layer with Lattafa. Wow. It smells so amazing. There are two different fragrances. So I feel like they're both gourmand fragrances because Lattafa is very, very big on gourmand. But I feel like this is entirely different. They're similar yet different. This is more subtle. Of course, Lattafa is very, you know, it has very high projection. But this is subtle. You will smell me, but that's when I've entered the room. But with Lattafa, as you're parking your car, as you're getting to the compound, they're smelling you. But this is, damn. Guys, immediately you spray it. I'm not going to lie to you. The first, give it 3, 4, 5 minutes. What I'm perceiving now, what I'm smelling now is even better than what I smelled the first time I sprayed it. So the whiff of alcohol that hits me is no longer there. It's no longer there at all. It has completely evaporated. I don't know if it's because I sprayed it for the very first time after, you know, it has been bottled for a lot of time, but you know, I got some alcohol and I really do like this golden detail in here. It's really beautiful. It's giving expensive, it's giving Arab money. Fragrantica says that the top notes are red berries, mandarin, orange. The middle notes are vanilla. I told you I smelled vanilla. The middle notes are vanilla, cacao, and rose. Base notes are sugar. When I said I smelled, you know, caramel, I knew what I was saying, right? So sugar, tonka bean, amber, and moss. Yes, amber, yes. This is a very yummy and delicious scent. It's creamy chocolate. It has creamy chocolate notes with a hint of fruit. It is a long-lasting fragrance. It says it's long lasting. I do not know that yet. It's a sweet fragrance. It's an amazing fragrance. It's something that I would use, you know, maybe when I'm going to work tomorrow, I'll use it and not, you know, layer it with anything at all. But I have an important meeting tomorrow, so I don't know what to do. Okay, so I'll just use this fragrance tomorrow when I'm going to work. I'll carry my atomizer with me. I will dispense some into my atomizer. So yes, that'll be all for this video, guys. But if you ask me to choose between the two, I cannot choose. I feel like it's going to be an unfair comparison because I've been using this for a very long time, you know, and then this is new. I've never smelled this before, so I can't choose yet, but I do like the two. I love the two. They're both so me. They're both so me. So I'm not the girl that likes very flowery and floral fragrance. No, I'm more of a mature fragrance girl. I'm more of, you know, sweet, yes, but you're still serious, you're still mature. Some days I may like floral, but those are just maybe like once in a month or twice in a month kind of days. But yeah, these fragrances, they get my very strong recommendation. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Ciao.